Here we have an Abarth 595, and what we've installed is an insurance approved car alarm. The one that we opted for is the Pandora Mini BT, which is a Category 1 Thatcham Approved Alarm and Immobiliser. Now, we've obviously installed it on this Abarth 595. It's a beautiful colour. It's the Competizione as well, which I hope I've pronounced that correctly. Otherwise I'm going to be really, really slated. But the yellow and the black really pops. I actually absolutely love this car. So anyway, going back to the alarm system. The alarm system that I mentioned that we fitted is the Pandora Mini BT. Now it works with the factory remote. These cars do not come with alarm systems as standard. It just comes with an immobiliser, which the thieves get round really quickly. So there's no real protection with these cars. So an alarm system is a really good thing to have, especially with these, they're really desirable. So like I said, it comes, you have your factory remote, and the alarm system works with that. So when you unlock the doors, it disarms the alarm system, and when you lock the doors, it will arm the alarm system. So you don't have to carry two fobs in the sense of pressing them. But what you do have to carry is a separate tag, which is part of the Pandora system. Now, without the tag being present, the alarm system will not disarm and the immobiliser will not disengage. Even with an authorised key, you could unlock the door, and the alarm system is now spending 5 seconds looking for the tag, and if it doesn't see the tag, if it sees the intrusion, the alarm system will just simply trigger. But the immobiliser is instant, so as soon as you unlock it, the immobiliser already is active, so you won't be able to start the vehicle. So no matter how they try to steal it in the typical method that they do, they're not going to be stealing this car. So let me demonstrate. The actual tag itself is away from the alarm system. So as far as the alarm system is concerned, the tag is not present. There is no authorised tag to allow it to disarm. So I could unlock the door, as you can see. Now it's going to be spending 5 seconds looking for this tag. Now after the 5 seconds, if it doesn't see the tag, and then it sees an intrusion, then the alarm system will go off. So that's your intrusion. I'll just open the door. And I'm just going to show you the immobiliser, so if you come over. So if I try to start it, it will not start. So what I'll do is just lock it back up. And I'm going to introduce the tag, which is that there. And if you have a look, that is the tag. So now that's present, so if I unlock it, the alarm system now disarms, and it's only because that is present. And if you come over, it should start. Like so. And I still cannot get over how nice this car sounds. Just amazing. So, with the alarm system, it's not purely just door opening and immobilisation. It also has tilt sensor, motion sensor, shock sensor, worn away shock sensor, as well as a sensor for the interior. It is a full package when it comes to security. So when I mean the worn away shock sensor, if you give it a bit of a tap, that's the worn away. Give it a bit more of an impact, goes to full alarm. And it's no different than if you jack it up or if you drag it, the alarm system will go off. And like I mentioned with the doors, so it is the two front doors, the boot and the bonnet, it is completely protected. So if any of those pop open, when it's armed, the alarm will trigger. So we've got an Abarth 595 Competizione, which I hope I pronounced that correctly, so I'm not sure if I have done. And we installed an insurance approved car alarm, which is the Pandora Mini BT.